Namaskara, I'm Dr. Sunita Rana Agarwal from Dr. Agarwal Hospitals, Bangalore. I'm an eye surgeon and doing gene therapy and stem cells today. Yes, you do. The problem is that Diwali pollution is going to be all over. It does not matter if there is a butterfly that is flapping his wings in Miami. It is going to reach Bangalore in less than 3 hours only because of the jet stream. So even though we're going to say, you can see it in the road. Early morning you will see it's like a smog all around. All that you can do is maybe protect your house. Some of the things to be able to do that is throw water. Water is your best answer for anything. So when you sprinkle water, it'll collect all these small particles in the air and drop it down. Second, what we can do is, because today most of us are living inside artificial illumination and artificial air conditioning, is to keep the whole indoors closed. Once it's closed, keep your air conditioning on. Just make sure that the outside air doesn't get in. This is especially true for pediatric and geriatric age groups, especially children or old people who are having some ailment, something like asthma, which is also very common in our Bangalore.